Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel, and today's lab is going to be about convection currents, and by the end of this you guys are going to be able to construct a 3D model that emphasizes mantle convection resulting in plate tectonics motion. And to do this lab you guys are going to need 4 cups of water. 2 of them are going to be with cold water and 2 of them are going to be with hot water. And you will also need food coloring, specifically a blue or a yellow color, or anything like that, and then you need 2 index cards. So now I'm gonna go ahead and switch over so we can go ahead and start this lab. Alrighty guys, so now that I have all my materials, as you can see, I went ahead and put the food coloring in my 2 cups, and what I went ahead and did is I picked blue food coloring for the cold water and yellow for the hot cups. And what I'm going to go ahead and do is kind of speed up the process, but I'm going to explain to you what I do before I speed up the process. So what you're going to go ahead and do is you're going to take your index card and place it on your first cup of hot water. You want to make sure that it's completely covering that top rim, and you want to just kind of tap it to make sure. Then what you're going to want to do for your first cup set is you're going to want to take the cup that has the index card and slowly invert the bottle, but don't touch the card. And you want to place this cup on top of this cup. You're not going to remove the card, and you're actually going to leave the card on this cup. And then we'll see what happens. And then what we're going to do is you're going to do the opposite. You're going to do the same thing, except this time you're going to put the card over the cold water, and the cold water is going to be on top of this one. So I'll be right back. You guys are going to watch a sped up version of me doing this, but you guys will know what I'm doing. Now that you guys watched the sped up version of me completing this lab, let's go ahead and wrap everything up. So for today's lab, you guys had to do this. As you can see, I do only have 3 cups left because I did have a spillage, but I kept it here so you guys can see the color difference of what happened. So this one that's missing its top cup is the one that had the hot water on top, and this is the one, this set is the one that has the cold water on the top and the hot water on the bottom. And as you can see, they're very 2 different colors. Now this happens because of the cycle of matter by thermal convection. When molecules are heated up, they vibrate fast and move around faster and become less dense, but therefore it rises. And when molecules are cold, they move away from the heat source and or expand in the cold. And as you guys were able to see, the color of the water depends on what temperature water was placed on top of the glass. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in the next lab video.